This is Hans. He's German and he likes things organized. But then came Apptoberfest. A lot of demos, not very organized. So he did what every German would have done. He organized them in Jira and then published it with Released for everyone to see. Here's how. After adding all the demos to the Jira board, we head over to Released. And here we create a workspace. Of course, the first thing we want to do is change the logo. And enable feedback. Now the next step is to create a board that we can share. We'll select the field that we want to use for the board columns and create the columns that we want and map the field options to those columns. And here's our roadmap. Now let's add the description from the work item to the card as well. Save the configuration, and we can publish the roadmap. But before we head to the portal, let's adjust the look and feel. We just want to show the roadmap, and we'll adjust the colors a little bit to make it more Apptoberfest'-y. And that's it. In the portal, all the demo submissions are now available to the community, making it easy to browse them, and you can even leave a comment. Want to keep track of all the demos you love? Just add them to your wishlist. And finally, if you want to respond to comments, you can do so via the inbox right within Jira. And every wish on the roadmap is captured in a wish count field, making it easy to sort by the most popular demos. And that, of course, makes Hans very happy.